Welcome back to Basic Home Cooking. Today we're going to be diving into some Chile Verde. Chile Verde. I ended up combining a couple recipes just because of the variety of peppers, but you can find both of those recipes linked down in the description. So what are we standing around for? Let's get into it. Woohoo! Wow. This, you know me. I get excited about a lot of the things I cook here, but I feel like this is the one. This one hits a little different. This could be the best thing I've made. And I'm glad I used the extra peppers, namely the Poblanos and the Anaheim, where the rest, like one of the other recipes said you could do either or, you could boil one with both. But I feel like I am getting a lot of that Poblano flavor in there. And you know, I scaled back, I only used like 2 Serranos, 2 Jalapenos. Also, devein gang, you know, DC, devein, take all that out of there if you don't want any of the spice. I left all that in, so there's a little bit of spice. Yeah, a little bit. But I feel like it's still pretty mild. It's not the hottest dish I've ever made, especially in comparison to some of the salsas I've made in the past. This dish was also a lot of fun because I got to pair up some things that I've made on the channel. That Spanish rice and those beans, they really paired together, making this a rounded out meal. And look at that, Chile Verde, we did it. And on that note, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep on cooking. All right, that's it, cut print.